Good morning, guys. I am cold. Winter is here. Guys, I'm in the car. It's real early in the morning and I'm on my way to work. But I'm doing my little Here's Your Holiday Sign series, and I've got another little sign for you. And good gracious alive. Now, you know, you guys seen my little welcome signs before. You guys have seen my welcome winter signs before. But this one, I do them a little bit different. And this one is one that I put a little snowman on. So he's really cute. Now, I don't know how much I'm welcoming winter in right now because I got my ears covered up. I'm about to freeze. And I work outside a whole lot, winter and summer. So I'm prepared. Got my hood on. I'm going to be prepared for the cold. But anyway, guys, I wanted to share this little holiday sign for you guys. For all of you crafters out there or wanting ideas. And all you home crafters that's making gifts for the winter time or for Christmas. Okay, guys. You guys have a wonderful day today. I better hit the road. Bye-bye.